Hi, let me see the SolidWorks software. In this tutorial, we are going to see SolidWorks 2018. To open the new file, just go for the new. Here you can open the new file directly for modeling, or else you can directly open the file from the directory. Just open the directory and you can select the files directly from the folder. This will be useful when you are previously worked. This one is the option. Here you can enable the toolbars, command managers, whatever toolbars you want you can add from this one. You can set the default templates. The templates is nothing but you can set the default unit systems. Let's go for the modeling. Just open the new file. This one is the part modeling. You can create the parts by using the part modeling option. You can create the number of parts by using this one. Next one is assembly modeling. Here you can assemble the created part modelings from the figure itself. You can see there is two colors. Next, two-dimension generation. It is useful for drawing sheet conversion. What drawing you drawn by using the software. Let's start with the part modeling. See, this one is the part modeling. First of all, we need to set up the units. For that, go option and come to the document properties and select the units and check the units millimeter, gram, seconds. You can set the units whatever you want. You can check the units, what unit you are going to work. That will be displayed right side down corner. There's a three planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. This one is the origin point. It will be very useful to start the drawings. Here you can select the appropriate plane for your drawing. Now we are going to see from the front view plane. These are the sketching tools. It will be useful for drawing the two-dimensional drawings. This one is the line. Let me start from line onwards. We are going to discuss in detail one by one from this continuous tutorial. See here, the relation will be there. The horizontal line indicates your line is exactly horizontal. Suppose I am drawing a vertical line. See, the yellow line indicates vertical. Your line is exactly vertical. Suppose I am drawing the another line to the midpoint of vertical line. See, now this relation shows the your line is meeting mid with the another line. See, now another line I am drawing here. See, I am drawing here. Now see the relation. It's perpendicular to the previous line what you drawn. These are the relations. To see the relations, you can go for directly display delete relations, and you can see the relations here. There is a one vertical relation, two perpendicular relation, one midpoint relation, and there is no coincide relations. These are the relations. You can see here all the relations. If you select, they will be highlighted in different colors. You can move it, but here you cannot change the relations. The line is moving, but the relations between the consequent lines are constant. Now see, I am going to delete the relations. First I am deleting the vertical relation, perpendicular relation, and midpoint relation. See, now I am pulling this line. Now it's not related with the previous line. So you can change the position of line. To add the relation directly, you can select the two lines by holding the control button, and you can add the relations. This way you can add the relation. You can directly delete the relation by clicking on that, and right click, you can delete that one. We'll be seeing in the next video.